Hello everyone, how are you all? I am Ankita Bhagat, your science teacher in Sajanand English Medium School at Nathej. So, in previous session, part 2, we are discussed about the digestion in human being. And going, now we are discuss about the digestion in grass eating animal and digestion in amoeba. So, first we are discuss about the digestion in grass eating animal. So digestion in grass eating animal. So the grass eating animal eat only grass and the grass is rich in cellulose, right? It is the type of carbohydrate and many animals and also human being cannot digest cellulose. But the grass eating animal digest the cellulose. Now we will look how they do so. So have you ever observed, have you ever seen the cows, buffalo and other grass eating animals chewing continuously even when they are not eating? They chewing continuously even they are not eating. So what do they? So they actually quickly swallow the grass and store it in a part of stomach is called rumen. So what they do? They swallow the grass without chewing, right? And store it in a part of stomach. It's called rumen. Now what is the function of rumen? So the function of rumen is digest the cellulose of grass with the help of certain bacteria. But in human being, the such type of bacteria are not present. That's why the cellulose is not digested in human being. What I told you that when grass eating animal eat the grass, at that time they do not chew the grass, they directly swallow and store into the rumen, right? So they eat the grass, they will not chew it and they just swallow and store into the rumen. So here is the rumen, and when they eat the grass, they directly pass to the rumen. And after that what happened? The partially digested food is returned to the mouth with the small lump. The partially digested food returned to the mouth with the small lumps and animal chewing. And here the cellulose of a grass is digested. Then the cellulose digested food again returned to the mouth with the small lumps and animal chewing. And after that the animal chew it, the chewed food is again returned to the other compartment. It is not returned to the rumen. Then the complete digestion of food takes place. The complete digestion of food takes place and the undigested food will come out through the body, right? So these are the digestive system of rumination. So again I repeat you, when the grass eating animal eat the grass, at that time they do not chew it. They directly swallow and store into the rumen. And the rumen is digested the cellulose in the grass. And then after the partially digested food will return to the mouth with the small lumps and the animal chewing. And this chewed food again go back to the other compartment of the body and the complete digestion takes place and the undigested food will come out. So this process is called rumination and such type of animals are called ruminates. So these are the ruminations and ruminates. So Now we are discuss about the nutrition in amoeba. So feeding and digestion in amoeba, let us see. So see in the figure, the amoeba is the microscopic single celled organism. So microscopic, it means the organism we cannot see with our naked eyes. If you want to see the organism, you have to use the microscope for this organism, right? So this is called the microscopic organism. So amoeba is the microscopic single celled organism, in that only the single cell, and our human body made up with the multiple cell, right? But amoeba is the single celled organism. It is found in pond water, and amoeba has a cell membrane. So here the amoeba has a cell membrane, right? It is the cell membrane, and it has a rounded dense nucleus. So in that, the nucleus and the many small bubble like vacuoles. So here the food vacuole, right? And it's changed the position continuously. So amoeba don't has a fixed shape. It changes its position continuously. And the finger like a projection, here the finger like a projection is called the pseudopodia or a false feet for the movement and capture of food, right? Now we will discuss about how amoeba feeds. So amoeba feeds a microscopic organism. So I already told you the microscopic organism, it means the organism we cannot see with our naked eyes. We have to use the microscope to see, right? Now see the process or the digestion in amoeba, right? So when amoeba sense food, it pushes out the pseudopodia. So amoeba senses a food that pushes out by the pseudopodia, and around the food particle is angles. So around the food particles is angle, right? Now the food get trapped in a food vacuole. So here food get trapped into the food vacuole, and the digestive juice act on the food and break it down the complex substances into the simpler substances. So here is the food vacuole, and the complex substances will break down into the simpler substances, and then after gradually the digested food is absorbed by amoeba, and the absorbed substances are used for the growth and maintenance and the multiplication, right? And the undigested food will come out through the vacuole. So these are the digestion process in amoeba. Now students, I will show you one video to the digestion process in amoeba.
Nutrition in amoeba. The food and its way of obtain different from organism to organism. Example, amoeba takes food using fingers-like extensions of cell surface called as pseudopodia. They fuse over the food particle by forming a food vacuole. Inside amoeba, that food vacuole's complex substances are broken down into simple substances. Then, these simple substances diffuses into cytoplasm. The remaining undigested material is moved to the surface of cell and thrown outside.
So that way the food is trapped in the food vacuole with the help of pseudopodia, and the digestive juice are secreted into the food vacuole, and they act on the food and break it down into the simpler substances. So the complex substances convert into the simpler substances, and the digested food is absorbed by the amoeba, and the undigested food will come out to the food vacuole. Now students, our session is over here. I hope you all are understood very well. Now our next video we will upload in next session. Thank you. Have a nice day.